Hello! Here we will use two data frames, one for the age and the other for the score. A inner join is represented like this, and this means that we will take what is common in both data frames and get a result like this, where we have the age and the score, just the common values. And we can do this with a concat, a join and a merge. Here, as always, we are importing pandas. This is the path for the files. This is the people age data frame we are loading from a CSV file, and this is the people score data frame that we are loading from another CSV file. After this, we will do our code, and we start by declaring a result that is equals to pandas.concat, and we pass data frame for the age and data frame for the score. Also, we need to specify that the axis is the columns, and we need to add another parameter that is the join parameter. The value is inner for inner join. Okay, the default for this value is outer for outer join. Let's print this and see what we get, and we get this as a result. Something is strange here. We have John here in the second row and John here in the first row. What is happening here is that concat is joining on indexes, okay? And the name is a column, is not an index. Let's make the name as an index in both data frames so we can join these properly. Let's go a little up here and let's make room for the code. Let's say data frame age dot set underscore index, and what will be the index is the column name, and also we want to change these in place. The same is true for data frame score. If we run this again, now we have the values in the correct places, but the name is an index. Let's unset the name as index. So we go a little down here, and before print we say that result is equals to result.reset underscore index. We run this again, and now we have what we wanted. Let's do the same thing with join, okay? We go here and we say result is equals to dataframe age dot join with dataframe score. We need to print this. Let's see what we get, and we get this. This is a row that doesn't belong here because Octavia doesn't have a score, so we need to provide a second parameter that is how we will join these tables, these data frames. The value for this is inner. The default is left join, and we want a inner join. Okay, let's run this again, and now we got almost what we wanted. We just need to unset the name as index. We go here and we say result is equals to result dot reset underscore index. Run this again, and now we have here our final result. We are doing here a index on index join, okay? Dataframe age and dataframe score have the name as an index. Let's do a column on index join, where dataframe age will have the name as a column and not as an index. To do that, we go here, we say dataframe age is equals to dataframe age dot reset underscore index. So the index name will be a column again. We need to copy this and we paste here. Because we want to join with the column name of the data frame age, we must say on is equals to name. This is the column of the data frame age that we want to join with the index of data frame score. We need to print this, and let's see what we get. And we got already what we wanted. In this case, we don't need to reset index of the result because the name is already a column in the data frame age, the data frame that calls calls the join. Okay, let's do the final exercise, doing the same thing with merge. Let's define the result that is equals to dataframe age dot merge with dataframe score, and we need to print the result. Let's see what this does, and we got an error. Why? Because the on parameter is mandatory in this case. On is equals to name, because we want to join the indexes that have the label name. Okay, we run this again and we got what we wanted. An important thing to say here is merge also have a how parameter, and the default for how parameter in merge is InnerJoin. Okay, we don't need to specify the how parameter in this case. We are doing a join of index on index. Merge allow us to do a column on index like join, and also a column on column. Let's see how that works. Let's copy this part and paste here. Also, we want to print the result, and to do a column on index, we need to reset the index of dataframe age. So to do that, we say dataframe underscore a is equals to dataframe underscore a dot reset underscore index. Let's see what we get, and we got what we expected. Also, we can do a column on column. To do that, we need to reset the index of the score dataframe. So dataframe score is equals to dataframe score dot reset underscore index. We run this again, and again we got what we expected. Remember, in these two cases, name is already a column, because the dataframe age, the one that calls merge, have already the name as a column. Just a final thing, we can join with index on concat, join and merge, column on index on join and merge, and column on column, just the merge. Okay? This is the end. You can download the source code, the link is in the description of the video. Please like this video, it will help a lot. As always, thank you for watching.